Welcome to the 15th year of Philly Tech Week. 15 years of gathering, building, creating a Philly Tech ecosystem that really showcases all the innovation that we have going on in our local community.
Comcast is so excited to be sponsoring Philly Tech Week again. We love this event. It's one of our favorite parts of the year. This is just such a great moment for the city.
This has been 15 years of celebrating not only technology, but the people who actually make the system and the tech ecosystem work inside the city of Philadelphia. So we're honored to be a part of that journey to help them celebrate and enjoy this experience.
Philly Tech Week for me is always an awesome opportunity to connect with other people in Philly's tech ecosystem who I otherwise would not see or not come in contact with, and share information and resources and make new connections.
I love Philly Tech Week. It's a great opportunity to connect with old friends, new contacts, and make sure that we are connecting more people to the great opportunities in technology here in our city.
Just to be able to see the convergence of people, people working in tech, people working in venture capital, people working for nonprofits that are trying to do work to get people connected. Seeing that whole divergence of people and diversity of people that are working in tech is really interesting.
I think it's deeply important for the Philadelphia tech community to have events like this because you can't create in a vacuum, and community is everything. But when you have a community that's excited and is helping you, then it makes it less lonely and more possible.
This is my first Philly Tech Week, so I'm definitely looking forward to, continue to make connections and hopefully find a mentor, hopefully find some partners that I can collab with on some projects. I'm just really excited to just soak up all of what Philly Tech Week has to offer.